One of the hardest decisions to make when painting a room, especially if you're wanting to update or change, is to find out what color to paint a wall. Are you going to go with a neutral that pretty much anything you have goes with, or do you want to accent something in a picture, such as this? We'll have customers bring in pictures or furniture for us to accent, to find an accent color for the wall. For example, here are 5 colors that we see in the picture that we have here. If I put the red next to the picture, you can see the red pop out. If I put the blue next to the picture, you can see the blue pop out. If I put the lighter color in, more neutral of the colors, you can see how that color pops out and complements all the colors. So don't just guess as to what color may look right. Bring in something. Let us show you the different colors and how it really impacts the look of a picture hanging on a wall or a piece of furniture in your house.